5 reasons to buy the Garmin 7X Solar. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys 5 reasons why you should buy a 7X Solar from Garmin. So before we do the top 5 reasons, let's quickly do an unboxing and check out the watch itself. Today we have the Fenix 7X Solar, which you're going to be unboxing and pairing and seeing. Sealed as usual by Garmin, so cut it open as usual, and now this little card as usual has the Garmin Connect thing in it. The watch looks nice. This is a full black, so I think you can actually make out the solar panel over here, and a beautiful black strap. And it's not too heavy, it's nice, light, comfortable. So let's see what else is there in the box. As usual, charger cable, stickers, and a little booklet at the bottom, which is an instruction booklet. I'm not taking this out, I'm just going to be putting all this back in for now. Let's turn it on. Fenix 7, the screen comes alive and it's looking really nice. Let's quickly take a look at the back. This is the new sensors. And now the top 5 reasons. Reason number 1. It has the latest heart rate monitor. Garmin uses a heart rate monitor called the Elevate, and this watch comes with the 4th generation, which is the latest. So expect better metrics and more accuracy too. Reason number 2. This watch is now a touchscreen watch. So having touchscreen gives you a little bit more usability, it makes it a little bit easier to use and caters to a wider audience too. And this touch is responsive and crisp. So reason number 3, battery life. Garmins are known for giving good battery life. Well, the 7X exceeds expectations. It gives you 28 days of battery life in regular smartwatch mode. It is practically a month of usage. And this is keeping all other health metrics in mind. So fabulous battery life. Reason number 4, solar. Well, having a slightly larger solar panel on this, it means you get a good 8 days of battery life extension over the 28 days that you're already getting. So good battery life becomes great and more usability for you. And reason number 5, I had to put this in. There is a torch integrated into the watch today, and that makes it a little bit more usable. This torch is not a little toy, it is quite bright, and if you're going to be trekking or just outdoors in the dark, this is going to give you ample amount of lighting. So these were my 5 reasons to buy a 7X. What's your reasons? Comment below and do let me know. And if you guys are interested in the price, it's about 99,000 rupees, available in India with warranties and everything. So go ahead, check it out, and until next time, safe ride everyone.